Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever feel like English is this big, mysterious puzzle full of strange words, tricky sounds, and rules that don't make sense when you try to speak them out loud, leaving you listening to native speakers on videos or podcasts, nodding along but understanding only bits and pieces, and wondering if you'll ever grasp it naturally without forcing it? Like you're on a bus ride or lying in bed at night, wanting to absorb English effortlessly through stories that flow like a river, improving your listening, vocabulary, and confidence all at once, but the usual lessons feel mechanical and forgettable, turning potential progress into frustration that makes you switch off after a few minutes. Maybe you've dreamed of a single, powerful story that wraps around your mind like a warm blanket, teaching grammar, pronunciation, and real-life phrases without you even noticing, changing how you learn forever. But without that one story to guide you, it remains just a hope, making your daily practice feel scattered and ineffective. Perhaps you've tried audiobooks or short clips, only to lose focus because they're too fast, too complex, or too short to sink in deeply during a full 30-minute listening session. If you're nodding along right now, feeling that familiar mix of curiosity about natural learning mixed with the quiet ache of not quite getting there yet, this episode is made just for you, designed for deep, immersive listening. Today, we're diving into something magical, transformative, and timeless, something that can unlock English naturally through the power of one story alone. We're talking about Learn English Naturally with One Powerful Story, English Listening Story 30 Minutes. We'll unfold this gently and thoroughly with a complete, extended listening story told slowly in clear, natural English, interspersed with soft pauses for reflection, motivational insights on why stories work this way, practical listening tips, common challenges for learners, and ways to replay and internalize it, turning your next 30 minutes into a natural fluency boost right away, so you can listen, absorb, and speak with ease. My friend, let me be straight with you from the heart, as if we're sharing a cozy fireside chat under starry skies. Learning English naturally with one powerful story isn't about cramming vocabulary lists or repeating drills until your voice tires. It's about surrendering to narrative, that ancient human gift where words weave into your soul, carrying sounds, rhythms, and meanings without effort, just like children learn their first language by hearing tales from parents. It's not about analyzing every sentence or pausing to translate. It's not about memorizing isolated words that slip away. It's not even about speaking perfectly from the start. That's not natural or kind. No, it's about letting a story carry you, where new expressions appear in context, pronunciation patterns repeat like a song, and your brain connects dots subconsciously, building fluency through immersion. Because when you learn English this way, profound changes occur. Your listening ears tune sharper to nuances, your vocabulary sticks with emotional hooks, and your speaking flows freer as the story's words become your own, all in the comfort of passive yet active absorption. Think about it deeply for a moment, closing your eyes if you can. Imagine a tale of a quiet girl who discovers her voice in a whispering forest, picking up phrases like "find your path" or "listen with your heart" along the way, then waking up able to use them in real talks. You can explore complex literature later. You can debate ideas another time. You can master accents when ready. But without that one anchoring story, if you rely on fragmented clips or rules alone, you miss the holistic magic. You can't achieve natural fluency without the thread of story to tie it all. Every minute you listen to this powerful tale now is a gentle rain nourishing your English garden, making it grow wild and strong. Now, I'm not here to rush you through theory or add homework that overwhelms. I promise, this is pure listening pleasure for your 30 minutes. I just want you to grasp something vital and empowering. Your brain is wired for stories. Science shows they light up multiple areas, releasing dopamine for retention, making learning feel like adventure, not labor. Every single day holds space for this, like morning coffee with audio, evening wind down, or commute podcasts. What you do with those slots, whether you choose one deep story or skip to distractions, shapes your natural progress, comprehension depth, and joy in English. If you keep chasing quick tips over immersive tales, then my friend, you're not just missing absorption, you're bypassing the fun of discovery, the ease of subconscious gains, and the thrill of sudden fluency sparks. But here's the exciting part, the heart of this episode that delivers exactly what you need. You can learn English naturally, right now, in these next 30 minutes, with one powerful story. No prep, no pressure. Just listen, and I'm going to present it fully, told slowly in clear English with natural pauses. Imagine soft music fading in between for breathing. I'll follow with tips to maximize your listening, then invite replays. This story, The Whispering Willow, is crafted for learners, simple yet rich, with repeated phrases, vivid descriptions, and emotional pull to embed language naturally. The powerful story, The Whispering Willow, English listening version. Listen slowly. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was kind and curious, but she had a secret fear. She could not speak loudly. When people asked her questions, her voice came out as a whisper, soft like the wind. "Why do you whisper, Maya?" her friends would ask. Maya would smile shyly and say nothing. She wanted to tell stories, to sing songs, to laugh with everyone, but the words stayed trapped inside. One sunny morning, Maya walked into the old forest near her home. The trees stood tall and wise, their leaves rustling gently. As she walked deeper, she heard a soft voice. "Come closer, child," it said. Maya looked around. No one was there. Then she saw it, a great willow tree by a sparkling stream. Its branches hung low, like arms reaching out. The wind whispered through the leaves. "I am the Whispering Willow. Sit with me, and I will teach you." Maya sat down, her heart beating fast. The willow spoke again. "Tell me your story, little one. Why do you hide your voice?" Maya took a deep breath. "I am afraid," she whispered, "afraid of being wrong, afraid of loud words." The willow sighed, its leaves dancing. "Ah, fear is like a dark cloud. But listen to me now. Every voice has a place. Yours is special. Let me share a tale." The willow began. "Long ago, a small bird lived in these branches. The bird could sing beautifully, but it only sang at night when no one could hear. One day, a storm came. The wind howled, the rain fell hard. The other animals hid, but the bird remembered, I must sing to guide them home. So it sang loud and clear through the storm. Its voice became the light. The animals followed the song to safety. From that day, the bird sang every morning for all to hear." Maya listened, her eyes wide. The words painted pictures in her mind. Storm, song, safety. "What happened to the bird?" she asked, her voice a little louder. The willow smiled in the wind. "The bird learned that hiding is safe, but sharing is brave. Now, Maya, your turn. Speak your fear aloud." Maya paused. Then slowly she said, "I fear mistakes, but I want to speak." The willow rustled happily. "Mistakes are teachers, like rain for flowers. Try this. Say, I am strong. Feel the words." Maya repeated, "I am strong." Her voice grew. "I am strong," the forest echoed. Days passed. Maya returned to the willow every morning. The tree taught her more. Listen to the wind, it carries secrets. Speak to the stream, it flows free. She practiced. The wind whispers, the stream sings. She learned phrases naturally. Find your courage, share your light, grow every day. One evening, back in the village, her friends gathered. "Tell us a story, Maya," they said. Maya stood tall. She told the willow's tale, her voice clear and warm. Once a bird sang through the storm. Everyone listened, amazed. "Your voice is beautiful," they cheered. From that day, Maya spoke freely. She became the village storyteller, and whenever fear returned, she remembered the whispering willow. "Your voice is a gift. Let it be heard." The end. My friend, how did that feel? Did words like rustling, howled, courage sink in? This is natural learning. Context makes them yours. Now, to deepen your 30-minute practice, let me share 12 powerful ideas, 12 ways to use this story, or any, for natural growth. First, listen without text, pure ears. Play 3 times, first for story, second for words, third for feelings. Second, shadow the narrator. Repeat after each sentence. Builds pronunciation naturally. Third, note 5 new phrases, like take a deep breath, find your courage, use in journal. Fourth, visualize vividly. Close your eyes. See Maya, willow. Memory boosts 60%. Fifth, retell aloud, your version, like Maya was shy, but the tree helped. Record, listen back. Sixth, connect to life, your fear. Write, like Maya, I will speak. Seventh, slow to fast. Start 0.75 speed, end normal. Eighth, discuss mentally. What would you ask Willow? Ninth, extend story. Add your ending. Then Maya. 10th, pair with movement. Walk while listening, gestures for words. 11th, gratitude pause. After, thank you for this story. 12th, daily ritual. 1 story a week, build library. To clarify, not perfection. Flow matters. Ask, did I feel the story? Another insight, teacher parable. English like river. 1 story is boat. Ride it to the sea. I know you can sail. Challenge, listen 3 times today and retell tomorrow. Share comments. You're learning naturally now. Brave. This story your guide. Decide. I believe. Breathe, listen again. Thank you for these 30 minutes. Proud. Keep stories. See you next. Take care.